Meaning of half-hitch.
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 Half-hitch. A half-hitch is a simple knot tied by wrapping a rope or cord around an object and then bringing the working end, the end you're holding, over itself and under the wrapped part. This creates a loop that can be tightened or loosened depending on the application. Half-hitches are commonly used in a variety of situations, including macrame, camping, and boating. They are easy to tie and untie, but may not be as secure as other knots for heavy loads or critical applications. Overall, the half-hitch is a versatile and useful knot to know.